Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimberly Jules here with another wig review. Now, before we get into the details of this beautiful, vibrant unit, we've got to get into the details of the lippy. So the lippy that I'm wearing today is a NYX lingerie lipstick, and it is in the color Embellishment. So you've got this like really nice, muted, nude type purple color. Purple is my favorite color. And now into the details of this unit. So much to Unice Hair for sending me this unit for review. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the package with the lace cut. Now the color, it's burgundy. This is a very bright burgundy, and it looks a little more silky than what it looks like in the picture. I'll insert the picture somewhere, maybe right here, right here. It's a little bit different from what it was in the ad, but the density, I like the density. It's a very nice density. Now it looks very shiny. It's not as shiny as you see on camera, just that I've got the bright lights here. So this is their 18-inch human hair unit. The style of this wig is their T-part straight burgundy wig. Now they also have 99J in the title, but this is not 99J, definitely not 99J. This is more like a red, almost like like right here by the roots, it almost looks like a fuchsia color. But yeah, I would say this is more of a red color than 99J. 99J is a lot deeper than this color. But this is absolutely, I love this. Honestly, when it comes to colors, wigs, colors, well, as you guys can probably see from my profile picture, I like colors. Now, I know some of you might be new to my channel, and I absolutely love reviewing colors. So over the last little while, I've been reviewing a lot of dark colors or natural colors. And you know, it's fall, winter season, and people are, you know, kind of wearing the darker, more natural colors. But I review all different kinds of colors. So if you are new here, I review green, pink, purple, yellow. Did I say green? Blue, all different colors on this channel. And I mean, I love colors. And people kind of shy away from trying colors. So I like to try the colors so people can see what the colors look like. But in terms of burgundy, burgundy is like one of my most favorite colors when it comes to wigs and even natural hair, even though my favorite color is purple. But it's more practical to wear a burgundy wig out than a purple wig. Just like the way the tone and everything, the way it looks. So I review everything. Natural colors, wild colors, long, straight, curly, short. I love all kinds of wigs. So this is not what it originally looked like. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put my clips, but I've actually gone in and I've used a flat iron just to straighten the hair, because when it's in the box, it's kind of folded and everything, you know, kind of dented and stuff. So it kind of refreshes it a bit. So I went in with a with a flat iron just to flatten it a little bit. Now you guys can see the line where the fake scalp is. I might go in and cut that out. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that part yet, but this is what it looks like. It's not that far off from my natural scalp color. Most people's color of their scalp is just a little bit lighter than their complexion. So I think I will leave it. I just have to put a little bit of powder here just to conceal it. Now the lace, as you can see, it only comes from here to here. Let me see if you can, yeah, you can't, because see, you can see the weft here. There's weft here. So you can't actually part this wig. This wig currently retails for $129.99. Now I had this shipped to Canada, so shipping was $20. And it came really quickly. I think it came in like 3 to 4 days. So the cap construction is a little bit, it's leaning a little more towards the snug side. So I wouldn't call this a big head friendly wig. Oh, and look at this shirt. I'm wearing my Wig Bae shirt from Bsugar Things. She's also a YouTuber and she's got an Instagram page as well. I will link all her information in the description box below. So as you can see, there was that little bit of lace to cut right here, and then there's that lace at the back. I never usually cut that lace at the back because I don't wear it. The reason why that lace is there so that if you want to wear it up, I don't normally wear my hair up, so I just usually leave that lace. In terms of shedding, I did get a few strands of shedding, but not too much. There is no tangling. My fingers just glide right through it. The hair is very, very soft. There are a little bit of flyaways, but not too bad. I actually put a little bit of serum. I put a little bit of this serum when I was flat ironing the hair. You don't want to use too much because then it's a glossing, so it makes it actually shiny. So you don't want it too shiny. So you just use a little bit just to kind of smooth it a little bit. But this is a very, very beautiful wig. Right up my alley. Right up my alley in terms of colors. I love colored wigs. So restyling options, I mean, there's not really a lot. You could wear it in a ponytail, or like I said, you could cut off that piece of lace and lay it down and maybe wear it up. But because it's really just that part here, there's not a lot you can do. But I mean, I think it's just meant to be worn as a straight, you know, center part wig. Now, if I shift it, the ear tab will be on my ear and that might bother you. And also if I shift it, it'll become uneven. Some wigs are layered well enough so that you can shift it. But you know what, let's just do it. Let's do it. Okay, so this is what it looks like as a left side part. And it's not too bad in terms of where it falls. I mean, it's a little bit longer on this side, but that's okay. So that's what it looks like as a left part. This is what it looks like as a right side part. And so, yeah, it's not too bad actually. So pros and cons. Pros would be it's pretty much beginner friendly. You just really, there's not a lot of lace to cut, just literally that lace here at the front. Cut that out, put it on. A con could be that fake scalp because it doesn't match everyone's complexion. You can either use your powder or foundation, or you can even just cut out the fake scalp. The color is beautiful. If you love vibrant, beautiful color, this is a perfect wig. It is very soft. There was not a lot of shedding, no tangling at all. So it is a very beautiful wig. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. And follow me over on Instagram. Sometimes, and I say this like a lot, sometimes the notifications don't work here. So if you are following me on Instagram, or Facebook or Twitter, anytime I upload a video, I will always go on those platforms and say, hey guys, I've uploaded a video, check it out. So, and I also post pictures on there that you won't see here because I don't post on YouTube every day. So sometimes I'll restyle wigs and stuff like that. I may not do a new video, but I will post it on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. All the information is in the description box below. You can also check my about here on Instagram, here on YouTube. On my about section, you'll see all my links there as well. So thank you once again to Unice here for sending me this absolutely beautiful wig. So vibrant, so bright. This is just like such a Kimera Jewels wig. I love this wig. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig.
Wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig dance, wig dance, wig.